This is a demonstration to show how to correctly mark waste when doing inventory at a micro market in the Parlevel app. Once you've arrived at the market and you've filled and you've done your manual PL, you would then go into inventory, and then you are presented with the assets. Click into an asset, and from here we can select the quantities of the items in the market, and if we've removed any items we need to tag Y. So when we run reports each week we can clearly see why items have been removed and also if there's been any theft. So for each level in the market you can scroll left to right if you've got extra items in that row. As you can see here, there's some extra lanes. First we're just going to the sandwich, and you need to have the link waste fields to quantity on, and from here we will mark the reason why we've removed that item. Expired is self-explanatory. Generally it's fresh food, but it can also be chocolates, drinks in slow moving markets. We still need to know everything that's expiring. We can simply update it to be expired once it's past the expiry date or safe consumption date of the product. Damaged. This should only be used for genuine damaged products. For example, if you've arrived to site and there's a pie that's ripped open and the packaging is not secure, we should mark this as damaged. Refund. We're going to use this field for items we have removed from the market. For example, if we are reducing par levels at a market, so previously the par level was 20 and we want to reduce the par level because the product's not moving quickly and we don't want to have extra stock in the market, we then set the par level to 10. If there's 20 in the market at that time, that means we'll be removing 10 items from the market. So rather than adjusting the quantity to remove the 10, which would then show it as lost, which we would identify as theft, we would put it in refund. So refund is for par level reductions, or even if potentially the pickers have said they've picked an item and they haven't picked it, or they've picked too many items. Anything outside of this will be marked as lost. So if I adjust the quantity from 7 to 5, we'll see this will change then to 2 lost. When we run our report each week, we will be looking at that lost column. We will be reporting that to the customer as theft. So we have to be pretty sure that these items are missing. Thank you. That's all.